Hello all. In this video, let us see about Pell and Gregory classification. Pell and Gregory classification is for impacted lower third molar. It is based on the relationship between the second molar and the anterior border of ramus of mandible to third molar. So depending on that, it is divided into class A, B and C. In class A, you have the occlusal plane of third molar at the same level or above the second molar. The highest point of third molar is at the same level or above the second molar. So it is class A. In class B, you have the occlusal plane of the impacted third molar between the occlusal plane and cervical line of second molar. So B for between, A for above. That is how you should remember. In class C, you have the occlusal plane of third molar completely below the cervical line of the second molar. That is completely below is for class C. You have another class like 1, 2 and 3 which is also a part of Pell and Gregory. Here it means in class 1, there is sufficient space for third molar to erupt. The space available between anterior border of the ascending ramus and distal surface of second molar is sufficient for eruption of third molar in class 1. In class 2, you have the distal portion of the third molar covered by bone. That is, the space available is less than the mesiodistal width of crown of the third molar. That is, you do not have sufficient space for its eruption. In class 3, it is the most difficult case where the entire third molar is covered by bone. That is, while attempting to remove third molar in such cases, you may lead to fracture of mandible or like injure the inferior alveolar nerve as it enters here. So the third molar is totally embedded into the bone in class 3. So according to this, you could easily guess the easiest to remove impaction of third molar is class A, class 1, and the most difficult to remove will be obviously class C and class 3. So I hope you understood. If you have understood about Pell and Gregory, you will be definitely ready for a quiz. Check it out in the description. Thank you and see you soon in the next video.